die Verbrennung der Amerikaner.
What is up, my beautiful mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing David Beckham's Refined Woods. But before I talk about that, I'm going to be mentioning my fragrance of the day, and that is Pure Excess by Paco Rabanne. What I like about Pure Excess is that it's kind of sweet and boozy. It's like definitely a clubbing and going out fragrance, and it sort of reminds me of like this is gonna sound like a burn on Versace blue jeans, but it reminds me of like a better quality Versace blue jeans with a lot more sweetness. It has a similar sort of Coca-Cola vibe, and now that Black Excess has been reformulated and sort of lobotomized as a fragrance, Pure Excess is actually a pretty good alternative to Black Excess. It comes in at a reasonably similar price point. You can pick up Pure Excess for a similar price point to Black Excess. Black Excess here in Australia is going to cost you about $50 from Chemist Warehouse. Pure Excess is generally about $20 more expensive, but I do find that it does perform better than the reformulated Black Excess. Obviously, the original Black Excess, if you can get that for less than $100 Australian, obviously if you can get your hands on an original bottle of Paco Rabanne's Black Excess for under $100, that is the obvious choice, but this makes an absolutely stunning alternative. It's incredible for compliments. It's long lasting. You know, it gets about 8 hours of performance on my skin with 3 sprays, and you can bump that up to about 5 or 6 sprays and get over 12 hours of performance. It even stays longer on clothes. Pure Excess Night is good as well if you can get that, but it's generally more expensive. Anyways, on to David Beckham's Refined Woods. So Infinite Aqua is nice, but a little boring. Aromatic Woods is a more interesting fragrance, and I probably would recommend that over Infinite Aqua. Now for Refined Woods. Originally I thought these were all men's fragrances, but they're actually all unisex fragrances, which is pretty awesome. So, same sort of presentation as the other ones, just with sort of like an orange accent to the writing, to the font. Refined Woods, long-lasting eau de parfum, a scent like exploring exotic places, woody, spicy, and a dash of new discoveries. I've got a feeling that this is going to be one of the best ones. I love how the cellophane comes off so easily. That's always a positive. And here's the bottle. I like it, understated, minimal. It's got a good look, it's got a good feel in the hand. Now, let's try the fragrance. I get woods, I get spice. It's almost like like cooking spices, you know, like from your spice rack. Yeah, spicy, woody. I get some amber here as well. Yeah, this is easily the best of the 3 that I've smelt so far. I do have Amber Breeze as well, so if you want to check that one out, stay tuned for that one. And also, I have not forgotten about the giveaway. I'll be doing that tomorrow probably. Another prominent note that I'm getting here is vanilla. There's a hefty dose of vanilla here, but it's also a little Tonka-ish as well. It reminds me of that Tonka fragrance from Soli Notes that I reviewed the other day. That's what I'm thinking of. So if you like that sort of unisex sort of vibe with the Tonka and the vanilla, spicy, woody, I think you're going to really like this, especially at such a cheap price point. It actually smells pretty high quality. Now, I paid $19 for this at Priceline. At Chemist Warehouse, they do sell these for $34.99 on sale, but my recommendation is wait for Priceline to have a sale and pick this one up for $19 Australian. Yeah, this is very nice. I get more of that amber now. I definitely get some of those spicy notes, and then there's like this lingering wood in the background. But yeah, the amber is becoming front and center once it's drying a little bit on my skin. This is a sexy, sexy fragrance. Okay, I know I did my David Beckham's classic blue review yesterday. I would probably say this is the best David Beckham fragrance I've smelt so far. There's one more left to try, and that's Amber Breeze, but this is easily, hands down, the best Beckham fragrance that I've smelt so far. At $19, with that sort of DNA, it's pretty special value. Now, if you don't like woody fragrances, if you don't like amber fragrances, and if you don't like heavily spiced fragrances, and I do get some of those like cooking spice notes here, then this fragrance may not be for you. If you're somebody that likes more fresh fragrances, more vibrant fragrances with citrus in them, probably go towards Infinite Aqua, but Refined Woods, for what it is pretty good. If you've ever worn David Beckham's Refined Woods before, let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say. And until my next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.